14 steps to becoming a millionaire. To become a millionaire, you must first become the type of person that deserves to be a millionaire. Billionaire investor Charlie Munger famously said, "To get what you want, you have to deserve what you want." You must focus on developing the qualities of a millionaire within yourself. After all, the real reward of becoming wealthy isn't the money itself. It's the kind of person you become and the quality of life that comes with it. Self-made millionaires share a set of characteristics. If you have these traits, your success is guaranteed. And if you don't have them, they can be learned. If you are weak in just one of these areas, it can be enough to hold you back. If you're strong in all these areas, there is no limit to what you can accomplish.
Good things don't come easy. If you want to have the good life, with a successful career, emotional satisfaction, and trustworthy friends, you have to work hard. Luck can take you only so far, and the rest is entirely up to us.
Step 1. Have big dreams. The first secret to becoming a millionaire is to have big dreams. Use the idealization technique, in which you project yourself 5 years in the future and picture yourself as happy and wealthy. What would your life look like if it were ideal in every way? This is where all success in life begins, by dreaming big. Take a piece of paper and list all of the things that you want. Create a wish list for yourself. Where will you live? What car will you drive? How much money will you make? What kind of home are you living in? And what kind of vacations are you taking? List everything that comes to mind and review it every day. Your mind will become saturated with these desires, and the law of attraction is activated. Step 2. Pursue your passions. Wherever you find successful people in life, you will likely find people doing what they love to do. Finding the thing that you are passionate about and figuring out a way to make a living from it is a sure way to succeed in life. If you're not sure what your passion is, think back to when you were a child and the things that would excite you and fill you with passion. You may find a clue within that of the passion you should pursue in your life. When you are truly passionate about something, you will have no problem immersing yourself in the subject and spending hours improving and mastering your craft. Step 3. Commit to excellence. The most successful people in the world are the ones who commit to becoming the best in the world at what they do. If you want to be in the top 5% in your field, where the real money is, you must be prepared to do whatever it takes. No one starts at the top. You must work your way there. This means that you can join the top 5% if you're prepared to put in the necessary time and effort. Many people lack the patience and persistence required to reach the top. It may take months or years to get there, but as long as you keep going and never give up, you can get there. Step 4. Develop your unique talents and abilities. Every single one of us is born with the potential for extraordinary abilities. And if you use them to the fullest extent, we can accomplish anything in life that we put our minds to. Everyone possesses the genetic capacity to be an expert at a skill they find immensely satisfying and enjoy. What are you currently good at? What are your natural talents? What could you be good at? To become successful, you don't need to be good at everything. You just need to be exceptionally good at a few things. Step 5. Be the CEO of your life. Millionaires take control of their own lives. You must understand that your life is your business, and you are the boss. It doesn't matter if you're employed or self-employed. It's a mistake to think that you work for anyone else but yourself. You must become self-accountable and hold yourself to high standards. Begin seeing yourself as the boss of your life and push yourself to reach your full potential. Step 6. Develop a clear sense of direction. You must become intensely goal-oriented and develop a strong sense of direction. In order to succeed in life, you must be aware of your goals in every area because you cannot hit what you cannot see. Make a clear decision about what you want, put it in writing, and develop a plan on how you will achieve it. Your life will change in ways you cannot even imagine if you make a plan and work towards your goal every day. This is the secret to becoming a self-made millionaire, and it's the secret to great success in life. Step 7. Refuse to accept failure. Millionaires overcome failure by realizing there's no such thing as failure. There's only feedback. Since most things you try won't work the first few times, failing at something is simply feedback, new information that you can use to be more successful the next time. It's normal to fail when you're trying something new, but your brain has a cybernetic mechanism, which means that with each attempt, you receive feedback that helps you recalibrate and become smarter. You gradually start doing more and more things correctly and fewer things incorrectly, but you won't get there unless you encounter failures. Failure merely provides a chance to start over more wisely. Self-made millionaires constantly look for the lesson in every setback, and this is why they succeed. They ask themselves, what can I learn from this? How can I use this to be better next time? Always look for the lesson and opportunity in everything that you do, and you will progress faster than you ever imagined possible. Step 8. Become a lifelong student. Personal development can transform you from rags to riches. The ability to acquire knowledge and learn new skills is the single most useful character trait to becoming a self-made millionaire. Every day, spend 30 to 60 minutes studying your field. Read books, take courses, and watch videos of experts in your field. Additionally, listening to audiobooks and podcasts instead of music while driving or working out can help give you an added edge over your competition. The more you dedicate yourself to personal development, the more valuable you become. Step 9. Become a workaholic. Most millionaires are workaholics. Now, there is a time in life when you can slow down if you desire, but that time is after you have succeeded, not before. You are competing with hundreds of thousands or millions of people who also want to succeed in your field. As a result, you must adopt a workaholic mentality to beat the competition. What does this mean? You must start a little earlier and stay a little later. The average self-made millionaire in America works 60 hours per week, some of them even more. If you only work 40 hours per week, you can earn a living, but if you commit to working more than that, you can earn a fortune. Step 10. Get around the right people. The key to becoming a self-made millionaire is to surround yourself with successful people. When you begin to associate with winners most of the time, you will find that they have a different worldview. They support your ambition, and you begin to resemble them because they are upbeat, positive, focused, always learning and growing. Therefore, the most crucial thing you can do is carefully select the people you associate with, and only do so with those who you respect, like, and enjoy being around. Spending time with successful people will help you naturally adopt your mindset and eventually become successful like them, because we become the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. If you don't have access to these people, you can still learn from successful people by reading their books, listening to their podcasts, or watching their interviews. Step 11. Develop resilience. Becoming resilient and having the ability to bounce back are important traits of a self-made millionaire, because initially, most things won't work and you'll be knocked down repeatedly. You must simply accept it, use it as a lesson, get back up, and carry on. Millionaires are problem solvers by nature. When something goes wrong, they don't allow themselves to stay down. They identify the root of the issue and find the solution. Success isn't about never getting knocked down. Success is when you keep getting back up, no matter how many times you get knocked down. Step 12. Become an unshakable optimist. Optimists tend to focus on their goals and aspirations the majority of the time. Every situation is viewed favorably, and the valuable lesson it contains is never overlooked. They constantly fill their minds with brilliant ideas, which broadens their perspective. Optimists experiment more, which significantly raises the likelihood that they'll try the right thing at the right time. They never quit trying. Once an optimist makes the decision to become wealthy, they never give up until they accomplish that goal. Step 13. Courage and persistence. The single greatest barrier to success is the fear of failing. The antidote to the fear of failure is courage. And what we know is that you need two types of courage to succeed. The first type of courage is the courage to start, despite the lack of certainty of success. Successful people are prepared to plan, make decisions, and act even when there are no guarantees. They take a leap of faith. The second kind of courage is the ability to endure tough times. The key is to decide in advance that you won't give up no matter what. You will fail repeatedly, but you won't give up. And finally, step 14, self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to do what you need to do, whether you feel like it or not. This is a character trait that clearly separates the successful from the unsuccessful. Millionaires are able to stay self-disciplined and consistent in doing the important things that lead to their success. They always do what they need to do, whether they feel like it or not. And there you have it. Begin implementing these 14 steps in your life today and begin your journey to becoming a self-made millionaire.